Hey friends, this is Dolynny TV live from the Cold Lake Marina on the lake shore. As the docks getting pounded, the rocks getting pounded as the wind blowing north-south in Cold Lake today brings home the waves. Let's go check things out, shall we? Hey, well, it's been 10 years since I've been out here on the breakwater filming a video for Dolynny TV, friends, and as you see, time takes a toll, but man, still a gorgeous, gorgeous view as the boardwalk and breakwater obviously extends that way, back that way a little bit, and absolutely gorgeous opportunity to come home to Cold Lake and enjoy a little bit of, you know, you could call it sea breeze. I mean sea breeze when I say sea breeze, man, the wind blowing today, reminiscent of a regular old day in southern Alberta. And what you're seeing here is obviously something you would have seen a preview for in 2024 here on Dolynny TV. A completely remodeled lakefront in Cold Lake North on the shores of Cold Lake, just to the west of the breakwater and the marina. The trees, the eroding lakefront, and of course as well, you know, the windbreak for the homeowners and business across the street may be gone. But my goodness, what an absolute beautiful gem this looks like from this vantage point now. Walking this elevated over the lake, the rocks in front, the waves crashing down. How can you not be romantic about one of the best places in all of northern Alberta? As we pull up random little spots like this, the chairs to sit down on, take a look out, enjoy the view as the ocean rages on a stormy day. Far side of the lake in the distance. I'm going to do it here on Dolynny TV for the new 2026 tour of the Cold Lake Marina from Lakefront area here in Alberta. What an absolute gorgeous piece of Canada we got here. Leave you with a gorgeous shot of the lake rolling in, the marina in the distance, the breakwater there keeping the marina harbor safe, and tell you to hit that subscribe button here on Dolynny TV. Check out the rest of the Cold Lake Alberta playlist. It's changed a hell of a lot over the last 10 years.